Hey guys, Sylvia here, and today I have a video that you guys seem to love. It is another luxury unboxing. Today I am unboxing a very large Chanel box. So if you guys watched my last video about designer bags Q&A, you would know that I wasn't really looking for any bag in particular, but I have been looking for a tote bag for a while. I've been looking for a tote bag for almost half a year now, and I just hadn't found a style that I really liked. One of the most popular tote bags out there is of course the LV Neverfull. I honestly have just never really been drawn to that bag, and I didn't want any bag that resembled that shape, that like bucket shape. I'm not into it. I never found that style looked good on me. I tried it on quite a few times and it just never really resonated with me. I looked at a whole bunch of other brands and either their style was very similar to the Neverfull, or it wasn't a style that was big enough to hold a laptop but still look small. I found a lot of really big bags, but I didn't want like a super big bag, just like a nice tote bag that didn't look too big on me. So as always, I like to tell you guys a little bit of a story of what led me to this. However, I know some of you guys do not give a fuck and just want to see the unboxing. If so, I put a time mark in the description box below, so you just click ahead. So the other day I got invited to my very first Chanel PR event. It was for Chanel Beauty, their new beauty boutique that opened in Holt Renfrew in Toronto. And I was pretty excited because I had never been invited to any Chanel events before. I've never been sent any Chanel PR. You guys know I'm a huge lover of Chanel, so yeah, I was really excited I got invited. So I went to the event and it wasn't really what I was expecting, because I was expecting more of an intimate kind of event, but it was more of a party per se. There's just a lot of mingling going around, and I don't really like events like that, only because I'm not really like a mingler type of person, and I feel like with those type of events you never get the time to like speak to the PR representative or speak to someone from the brand. You don't really get that like face-to-face time that I find a lot more valuable. But anyway, so I was at this party, I just stayed for a little bit and I was like, hey, I'm already in Holt Renfrew. I can just go upstairs to the Chanel boutique. It's sitting there, it's waiting for me. Let's just check out if there's anything new, fun, and exciting happening. So I go in, saw some bags, tried some on, walked out with this a few minutes later. I just found it pretty funny that I went to some Chanel beauty event, didn't really get much out of it, and then ended up spending all my money back to the brand anyways. Alright, let's unbox. So first, the Camilla flower comes off. Box is too big for me to like do it in this position, but I'm gonna try. Woo! I did that almost flawlessly. And this nice large dust bag. So this is the Chanel Deauville Tote. This piece is a reoccurring seasonal piece. It comes out I think almost every season in different colors, different fabrics, different leathers. And the first time I saw it was the denim one, when they only had the really big size and it was like a great beach bag. I actually almost bought it at that time because I was really into the look, but it was just too big for my body and I wasn't into the size. But this is the first time I've seen them do a black version of it, and it's perfect because for a tote bag that I'm going to be, you know, using very often and not tossing around, but being, you know, a little less babying of it, I think black is a good choice of color. Previously they had mostly light colors and denims where I knew I would get dirty pretty easily. So with this type of black fabric, it's that like woven fabric. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's similar to the tweed woven fabric. I feel like it's not as prone to getting dirty. So I'm not sure when they came out with this medium size. So they always knew they had like the large sizes that have the top handle as well as the shoulder straps, but this medium size I don't think I've seen previously. Maybe I just haven't noticed, but it only comes with the shoulder strap and not the top handle. It would be nice if this came with a top handle as well, but you know, I can't have it all. And I think this size fits my frame perfectly, whereas the large Deauville Tote, the original one, just was way too big on me. What I love about it is obviously it's a very large tote that can fit a lot, but it doesn't look big. That's what I typically look for in bags in general, bags that are spacious but don't look big, which is why I love my LV Palm Springs or my YSL Lulu. They fit so much, but they don't look big on me. I have yet to peel off all the little plastic things, but I will after this video. So I'm sure you guys want to see what it looks like on the inside. So there is one pocket in here that is a zipper pocket. I know you guys can't really see, but there is a zipper pocket right there. Of course, there's the authenticity card in here. And then on the other side, there are 2 pocket compartments. One bigger one, and then one slightly smaller one here. This whole lining flips inside out, so it's for easy cleaning, flexible. The one thing that sucks a little bit is that it's not a zipper closure. It's just 2 magnets right here and right here that connect together. So you only get the closure like just across the top and not across the whole thing. But it's not a big worry for me. I've never been the type of person where like I have to have a zipper. My mom is the type where she's like, I must have a zipper or I will not buy the bag. So I specifically wanted a bag that could carry my laptop, and right now the only bags that I have that can fit my laptop are my like LV Boss for backpack or my YSL backpack, and I can technically fit it into my Prada Saffiano tote, but that one's pink and I don't really use it as much anymore. And then it sort of fits into my Celine micro luggage, but it sticks out at the top and it's already a top handle, so it's hard to like hold on to all of that. So I just need a new tote bag, carry on my shoulder easily, fits my laptop. The laptop I usually bring around is a MacBook Air. This one is a MacBook Pro 15-inch. So the one that I want to carry around is actually smaller, but it does fit my 15-inch laptop perfectly. So I know that it will for sure fit my Air. The way that it's made and how like the stitching around this area is very stiff. I don't actually see it sagging very much. It's pretty stiff around here. I will actually probably end up getting some sort of bag organizer or bag shaper to put into this as well, so that will help it from sagging as well. So overall, I think it's a great practical bag. I mean, it's not like one of my favorite Chanel's or anything like that at all. It's definitely not one where I'm like, oh my god, I love it. But I do think that this is the tote that I'll like the best for a long time, because I just have been looking for a tote forever. Haven't found anything that I ever have remotely liked, but this one I actually like enough to purchase as my tote bag. What's also great is that if I want to be a little bit more discreet to a certain meaning, I can always just flip it around and wear it with this side as well. Alright, I think that's all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Leave a comment below what bag you're into next. Maybe give me some ideas of what to purchase, and I will talk to you guys again very soon. See ya!